This is news from Family Council. W. Bradford Wilcox, a senior fellow with the Institute of Family Studies, recently told the U.S. House Ways and Means Committee that the benefits of fathers' engagement with their children are numerous, from improved mental health and academic achievement to reduced levels of crime and teen pregnancy. Studies indicate that children are more likely to excel in school and to avoid delinquency when they are raised with an involved and nurturing father. Children who report a high-quality relationship with their father are less likely to experience depression than their counterparts, who don't enjoy such a relationship with their father. The significant effect of a father's presence on boys' propensity to commit crime has also been well documented, while other research shows that girls without involved fathers are much more likely to become pregnant compared to their peers with engaged dads. Wilcox also told the lawmakers that cohabitation does not provide the same benefits or level of family stability that marriage does. In the U.S., children born to cohabiting parents who never marry are more than twice as likely to see their parents break up compared to those born to married parents. Family Council, promoting, protecting, and strengthening traditional family values in Arkansas. Visit us online at familycouncil.org.